Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this International tree truck. It's been running about 10 minutes. Now we do have the PTO engaged. I did raise the back stabilizers. You can see there's a hydraulic hose leaking somewheres. Now I have no idea how to run this, but I have pushed a few levers and now folks, I know there's a sequence to making this work. You can see that the hydraulic functions do function, and up there's two that go back and forth, and I've had those moving. So with that said, I believe everything will work. I certainly would tell you that you're going to need a couple hydraulic lines, at least some maintenance. I see some drips, so that tells me that you're going to need a little work there. Other than that, I think it would make somebody a decent outfit. Thanks for looking and have a great day. It'll be sold online Sunday, July 18th. It is located in Ismay, Montana.